Chris Burkett in the full size, 300 horsepower extra. Mike Williams, he's the pilot on the ground of the 40% extra. Keep your eyes on these two, it's unbelievable. In the sky, little being run anything like this before. And the answer is no. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes on these two, it's unbelievable. Chris Burkett in the full size, 300 horsepower extra. Mike Williams, he's the pilot on the ground of the 40% extra and large. And as you will see, anything you can do, I can do just as well. Size doesn't count.
Rachel, let's make it one of these.
So very soon, you're going to forget that one of these is a remote control plane. Ken, how is this happening? I mean, perhaps Mike has got the harder of the two jobs.
Mike has got absolutely the hardest job. Chris will be the first person to say so. He says he sits in his, he points it where he wants it to go. Mike has got to imagine in his head that he's in the cockpit of the 40% aeroplane. Top controls in front of him. He's got micro cameras to give him an idea. Chris has got a constant idea of where they are. And look what they achieve.
It's amazing, eh?
Happily rolling upside down. Slow roll. Brilliant. Something like that. Quite sure which is which.
Absolutely. Now, how would this come together? It's not the kind of collaboration you typically see.
They did their first performance at Little Cranston 2 years ago. I was honoured to be there commentating on it. Mike Williams just turned up at some point before that. He turned to Chris and said, I made a scale version of your aeroplane. Two of them got talking and allegedly over a couple of pints, this came about. Back on the stick, and of course Mike's stick is on the ground over there on the runway. Climbing away. Over the top. And the 40% are already out pacing on our Christmas coming back.
Just thinking we should have got a teddy bear in the 40% delivery.
A little late now, Tom, but I like your thinking. Chris falling back for his own smoke. And they're quite happy with opposition manoeuvres as well. Incredible. Now the 40%er has an incredible one-to-one power ratio, which means it can almost become a helicopter. Hanging on its own propeller. Chris sides across the sky. Chris, you can catch it.
I shot it all auto and cut away from the shots.
You just shot it, is that it?
It wouldn't go. For some reason.
Mike has the advantage that he can do outside manoeuvres like that and it won't affect his stomach.
Lucy, look, I read it.
So how much does this kind of thing weigh, the 40% version here?
I really don't know, but it's absolutely top end of the radio control league. Look at that. There's control for you.
Just give it one to see. You just have one to
Sensation, honestly. Try doing that, Chris.
I think it's going to give it a go.
Now Mike has to join up with an aeroplane. You saw him down on the ground. He's got to estimate with pure skill the space between them and look, done.
One's a model plane and one's a real plane. Yes. Yes. See the big one? That one there, the real one. That one there is a model. It's
Ladies and gentlemen,